Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, people, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. I hope you are ready. Now, we got Broda in the building, definitely bringing the noise as always. This guy just don't know how to stop. He removed the bar on this watch face. I got to get this guy 4 thumbs up in the door for total design. Now, the name of the watch face is called Hitoshi Wipeout. My man really lit this one up. I like the 3D effect that this watch face has. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the nicest look. You're going to get a green effect so far as the information is concerned with your digital time and your info, and you're going to get a nice black background that's really going to bring out this watch face. Now, once the watch face is on, here's what we're looking at. Look up at the top. At the top, you are going to get the days of the week. I like the way it's laid out. I really like the design and the layout of the information with this watch face. Now, if you come down, you are going to get the day of the week. You are going to get your month. You're going to get how many days we are into the year already. Now, if you look over here, you are going to get your step information and your speed. Here, you're going to get your heart rate information, floors climb, moon phase, and you're going to get a nice legible digital time right over here. I'm telling you, Broda went off on this watch face. Again, I like the detailing. In the middle is going to give you your battery percentage. Broda outdid himself with this one, right? But we're not finished yet. It is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can add my favorite shortcut. I mean, you get 5 to choose from. You got it here, and you also got it right here, and also right here. And I thought that was pretty awesome. So if you need to set your shortcuts to make this watch face more convenient, you can. Now, it is interactive, so if you need to get your heart rate information, you can. If you tap over here on your step information, it will pull up your S health. And here's where it gets good, people. Here's where it gets good. Now, you can customize the color theme or the theme itself for the watch face. Check this out. Double tap, and you can customize the color. Very nice. I mean, you got many, and when I say many, you got many different ones to choose from. But if you tap up at the top, check this out. This is fun. My man outdid himself. I'm telling you, I can't say enough about this watch face. And you can leave it just like that. Super casual. And if you wanted to light it back up, all your information, just double tap and it'll bring it all back. Now, if I double tap in the middle, yes, I could change the color theme of the watch face. Now, this one is definitely super slick. Let's go through some more. Not bad at all. I mean, you got quite a few awesome looks so far as color theme is concerned with this watch face. You can just keep going and going and going. All right, you all. Listen, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Me, I thought Broda got down. All right, you all. That's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care. Didn't notice that floating second hand going around the bezel of the watch. Nice.